Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, first of all, I rise to oppose the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement amendment second bill 2015. Sir, this bill, why it was necessary to be brought on the floor of the House, which was brought by the UPA government in 2013. It was debated on the 28th of August, and both Congress and BJP supported the bill, and there was voting, and the voting was 268 ayes and 19 noes. Who are those 19? Those 19 were only Trinamool Congress, and this voting was on my amendment, and the motion was lost. Who was the main speaker in Lok Sabha on behalf of BJP? Rajnath Singh ji was the main speaker who spoke on behalf of the bill. Who was the main speaker in Rajya Sabha on behalf of BJP? Mr. Katihar was the main speaker on behalf of BJP in Rajya Sabha. So normally this question is coming up. What is the importance, what is the necessity of introduction of another bill when one bill is already passed on the floor of the House with division of votes, and everybody has now come to know that what is the role of which party. Trinamool Congress is of the opinion that farmers are to be given more free hand so far the land acquisition bill is concerned. We are totally against the forceful occupancy of the land. Rahul Gandhi ji initiated the debate. He was of the same opinion, and I believe that every one of us should protest the forceful occupancy of the land from the farmers. We have our own fight in our state under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, when Singur land was occupied by very, very big corporate house, and we opposed it. And we have seen the hungry farmers who are fighting with the hunger, how they maintain their livelihood. Sir, land is not elastic, that if you stretch it, it will increase. Land is the same, but population is increasing. Population, if it goes up to certain height, and if the land is grabbed forcefully, and all the decisions are taken in favor of the captains of the industries or by the corporate office houses, then gradually size of the land will be decreased, and today or tomorrow, once upon a time, the food shortage will come up. Scarcity of food will be there in our country, if not today, after 20 years or after 30 years, sometimes from now. So, what is our standpoint from the very beginning? That the standing committee took a decision with 13 recommendations. UPA government accepted 11 recommendations, but did not accept 2 recommendations. Trinamool Congress is in favor of recommendations of all 13 which were recommended by the standing committee. Which 2 points were discarded by the then Minister Honorable Jairam Rameshji? Mainly it was that land which would be occupied by the owner of the land up to 80% and 20% would be taken over by the government in whatever manner it would be, and in social sectors it would be up to 70%, other is to be acquired by the government in whatever manner it would be. What we raised objection at that time, that landowner and the farmers should discuss amongst themselves and will settle the price. it is totally to be left on the discretion of the farmers that whether he is interested or keen to sell his land or not. The price to be fixed by in between the discussion of the two. Government should not play the role of the mediator. It is not the duty and responsibility of the government to play a role of a mediator, that how they can negotiate in between the two. And normally a farmer feels that when such type of questions of negotiation arise, attitude of the government automatically may be trained towards the corporate offices or towards the captains of the industries. So naturally, this forceful occupancy at any stage, at any level, we should all out oppose and let 100% land be occupied by those who want to buy the land or to set up industries or whatever proposals, projects they have. They can take the land of their own in consultation with the farmers. And that should be 100% itself. No division. At the UPA time it was 70-80. Now it is coming up that the total land can be taken up by the government. It is not agreeable, sir. We also believe that which type of land can be taken over. This can be of two types of land. One is barren land, जिसको हम लोग पतित जमीन कहते हैं. दूसरा इज मोनोक्रॉप लैंड, जो जमीन पर एक फसली फसल होता है, बट नॉट मल्टी क्रॉप लैंड. In those land, multi-crop are produced. There, it will never happen that those land will be allowed to be occupied at any stage and any level, and there should be serious restrictions that multi-crop land will not be allowed to be taken over by any corporate office. So we should concentrate on barren land and monocrop land. That should be a policy of the government. So, sir, Trinamool Congress from the very beginning, as we opposed at the time of UPA government, we still stick to that. And we thoroughly believe this bill will not serve the interest of the common farmers. It will be certainly projected as anti-farmer, and Trinamool Congress thoroughly opposes the bill. Thank you, sir.